Hey, welcome back to Sew Crafting Good. This video is going to show you how to put on a neckband to the neckline of your shirt for knit fabrics. Step 1. Iron your neckband in half. This will ensure that when you sew it together, it won't flip-flop around too much. Step 2 is to sew the short ends of the neckband. Now, step 3 is to quarter the neckband. You put the first pin in the back seam that you made, and then in the middle of the neckband, and then put the middle and the back seam together, and then it'll give you the side seams or the side markings. Now you're going to take your front and your back pieces and you are going to sew the shoulders. What I like to do is I iron my seams to the back, because when I sew the neckband and the sleeves on, it'll give me one direction for that seam to go. And it's usually more comfortable to wear that seam to the back anyway. Now, just like you did the neckband, you're going to also quarter the neckline in the same way. You're going to start with that back and the middle, and you're going to mark those with a pin, and then you're going to line up the back and the middle markings so that you can mark the side marks. So now you're going to take those markings on your neckline and your neckband, and you're going to line those up, and you're going to pin those together. Okay, so I know it seems like it's a lot of pins, but I like to pin this very well because it helps with the stretch. It ensures that there is a proper stretch, like not one part is stretched more than the other, because you can stretch it and then pin it, and it'll kind of keep that stretch to where it is even all the way around. And you want an even stretch on your neckband and your neckline, because that makes it comfortable to wear. Now it's time to sew the neckband onto the neckline, and the pins will help you stretch the neckline and the neckband to where they are taut and they are evenly stretched out when you sew it. There should be no buckles when you're sewing your neckline. You're on the home stretch. It is very important to take an iron to all the seams that you make because that locks in your stitches. And with knit fabrics, it helps the waviness of the neck of the seam go away. So you want to take away the waviness, you want to lock in those stitches and give that professional look to your project. Make sure you iron not only the inside of your shirt but also the outside, and you have finished. This is your neckline. Thank you for watching Sew Crafting Good. I hope this helped you. If it did, make sure that you click that like button or go ahead and follow. Thank you so much for watching.